here a little while back, about a month ago. Trying to figure out how to get this truck running smoothly because it's blowing the smoke.
You talked to Gary or what?
I went over there on Friday and then I was just over there just now, so I didn't know if I should come up here since you guys did the work on it. Installation.
Look at the motor in, but you know, we're not guaranteeing the motor ourselves or anything, you know. That's all up to Gary. We just do the R&R. No guarantee on our end.
So, well, the problem is if he gives me another motor, then I have to have somebody install it again and have to charge him again for installation.
Right, because you know we're just good R&R.
I mean, I'm just the guy stuck in the middle.
Yeah, but I say so already.
I put out $1,200 already.
Yeah,
but labor installed, so I wanted to see who was willing to work with me so I could get it.
Well, I can't, you know, because if I were to sell the engine to you, yeah, I guarantee it. But if me and Tom just did the R&R to somebody else, they're the ones that guarantee the motor, not us.
Well, I wish I knew something that would help me out.
Well, I can't, you know, I can't do something for nothing that I didn't have.
I didn't ask you for doing something.
Well,
I'm just stuck in the middle. I've had two motors and both of them.
But I don't know why that thing is smoking like that with both motors. That's what I don't understand either.
Both motors, yeah. So I just.
Well, your original engine was smoking too, wasn't it, or something?
No, my original motor just crapped out on me after so many years of running it into the ground. I babied it as long as I could. So I came to him and got a motor.
All the warranty is up to Gary, not us.
I just need to know who was going to help me figure out the next step of it. If I need to get another motor, and if everyone's going to tell you to screw off.
Well, I'm basically, you know, my hands are tied until Gary's what he wants.
I just don't know what I can really do, and if you guys are willing to help me when I get another motor, then I'll try to get another one. If not,
I work with you, but I can't do it for nothing.
But I'm not asking you to.
Well, I'm just, you know, I'm telling you, I gotta have.
If I just knew that, you know, we're all on the same team trying to figure it out, then I could figure out how to put my money together too to put it to better use. But I can't do a third motor and have it fail on it.
Yeah.
Two different mechanics. And at some point, I mean, he offered me money for my truck, which is really not an option. I don't really want to sell my truck.
Yeah.
You know, I want to get my motor fixed with that capacity. And if it's a sticking valve or whatever it might be.
Well, it runs too good, that'd be a sticky valve.
I don't know. It runs great, yeah.
Yeah.
And the blue smoke.
The trouble is, it blew smoke constantly, usually like that. And it's not much smoke, that's usually rings that are going, you know? Not valve seals or you know.
I don't know how that industry works. You know, I can do a lot of aftermarket stuff with the regular things, but the motor was out of my league. I don't have that kind of equipment. Yeah. So I have to put my faith in somebody who can do it, and you guys want to do it. It's good turnaround time and everything, so I was expecting some decent results and live through it.
Well, when it left here, it was not even smoking. You know, when it left here, it wasn't smoking. So I don't know when it starts smoking, right after, or what.
I only had 2,200 miles on it when I showed up here, and that's all over a 3-month, 2.5 month period. So. But
you know, I say when we fired up, we got to run. It wasn't smoking and left, but I don't know if it just started the next day or whatever when it started smoking. You know?
I noticed it when I was helping a friend backing my truck up into an area that he got smoked out of it. And so basically all I'm trying to do is figure out how to stop doing it again. Nobody listens. So.